What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. We're going to be working on the Honda Civic today. We have another interior mod for it. Let me show you guys the previous interior mod that we did. Now that there's a little bit more sunlight, check it out, guys. It looks amazing. It adds so much style. Check it out. Look at this, guys. It pops. The whole door is black except for this one chrome piece. But this blue, man. Whew. Let me open the garage door so you guys can see a little better. Alrighty, guys. Look at this. Look how good that looks. It just stands out. Anyways, guys, I think it looks really good. What we're going to do today is sort of like that, but in a different area of the car. We're actually going to be placing some of those covers where the air vents are in the front of the car. It's going to look amazing. I'll make sure to show you guys, obviously, before and after, just so you guys can see the difference. All right, guys, so this is going to be before. As you can see, there's this little bit of kind of like silver, I don't know what you would call this, an outline. But besides that, and over here, there's not much color to it. It's very black. Everything's just very dark in here. As you guys can see, the blue is the only thing that kind of like pops out. So we're gonna be fixing that. Alrighty, guys, again, I'm sorry, this garage is lit up pretty bad. We got another package right here from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright. Got a bunch of little pieces right here. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the surface area that we're gonna be working on, and we're gonna add the trim, and it should look awesome. I'm super excited. Look at this, guys. This is gonna be one of the main AC vents in the middle above the center console. I love it. This tape's really hard though. I've been at it for like 3 minutes now, and I've removed these two pieces, but these ones, they take forever, guys. So I hope that means that they last a while. The other ones are, I mean, it's only been like less than a week, but it's been holding up very, very well. All right, guys, so after about 5 minutes, I finally got all the tape off the first piece. I believe in total there's about 6 pieces, I want to say, and I finally got the tape off the first one. I'm super excited. Let's go see how it looks. Alrighty, so this piece is gonna go right here, guys. It's gonna cover up this black trim right here. Super excited. It's already clean, but yeah, this is how it looks. Let me show you how it looks with it on. All right, guys, this is how it looks. Whew, looks amazing. I can't wait to have all of it on. We're gonna put those vents over there, this vent right here, and then this vent right here. It's looking awesome, guys. It really is. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and cut over now to the point where I'm done. Alrighty, guys, so I got the last piece right here. Took forever to remove all the tape, and I still gotta remove all this tape right here, but it'll be worth it. Let's go ahead and remove the cover. This one right here. Oh, what the hell? They sent me a wrong one. No way. They sent me a carbon fiber, or I don't know what this is. Look. Well, crap. All right, guys, I guess for now, we're just gonna have the driver's side and the middle set up. Crap, that's gonna look weird. All right, well, this sucks. I don't know what I gotta do now. I gotta contact Amazon and see what they say, but let me show you guys how it looks with the stuff that I have. I'm actually really annoyed. Damn, because now it's gonna be probably like another week before I get that. It's gonna look weird, but all right, hopefully they can make it up. Obviously I don't need any extra money from them or a reimbursement. I just want the last piece. Guys, one of the cool features about this Honda Civic that I like, and I didn't have to pay any extra for it, it already came standard, is the remote start from the key fob. I do wish I could do it from my phone, but unfortunately I can't. But it's super cool, guys. So you hit the lock button twice and you hold the start button for a few seconds. I love that. Let me show you guys how it looks in the daytime. Whoops. Guys, look how awesome this looks right here. Woo! Just give you a little look of what I'm seeing. Again, unfortunately, that one right there is still the same. But look at this, guys. Look how good this looks. It just adds just enough blue. And this is how it looks on the door panels. Looks amazing. The back one's a little bit harder to see because of the tinted windows. But damn, guys, this just looks amazing. Let me zoom in. Whoa. Guys, it looks awesome. I love it. Again, unfortunately, they did not send me the correct color for the last piece, which is very annoying. I really hope that they don't say I have to send everything back, because all I need is that one piece, guys. I don't mind waiting the extra week. Yes, it's gonna look ugly, but you know what? Not a big deal. It is what it is. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Definitely would help us out. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications, that way you guys know every single time that I go ahead and drop a new video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day.